Previously on Bibi Toys. Wait, what? She glows in the dark? Yep, this is a glow-in-the-dark Hello Kitty, and I'm officially obsessed. Oh, back with part 2 of our Hello Kitty surprise fun. Let's discover who's hiding inside these eggs today. One by one, no rush. You'll all get your spotlight. Magic moment coming. What a sparkly beginning. Bibi score 8 out of 10. Oops, that cracked a little too much. All I did was touch it. Turn off the lights. This kitty glows in the dark. Bibi score 9 out of 10. Wait! These are the stars from part 1. One just teleported away. Next egg incoming. Which one's your fave? Glow or classic? I'm Team Glow. That shimmer is just too cute. Sorting time. Oops! And lineup complete. Time to crack open another one. Why are you so stubborn, little egg? Victory is ours. Oh my God, this is a different glow. The glowing kitty fam is growing. Bibi score 9 out of 10. Gold, glow, or someone totally new. Take a guess.
Oh no!
Are these eggs working out or what?
Yay!
Wait, again, just my luck. Duplicate detected. Gold Kitty couldn't handle the truth. If it's another duplicate, I'm officially done with these eggs. No need to crack this one. It already broke free on its own. Yes, it glows. Yes, it's cute. But do I need 3 of them? Sorry, no Bibi score for this one, because it's the same one again. This one cracked without a fight. The classic version of our first gold kitty. I didn't have this one. I'm so happy. Dance. Bibi score 7 out of 10. My little kitty. This one's breaking all the records for being impossible to open. Wait, is that red I see? Could it be a new one? Oh my God, is she holding a tiny present? A golden gift just for us. This is too cute. Bibi score 10 out of 10.
Yes, yes, yes!
Okay, real question. Are these Hello Kitty figures just cute or too cute? What do you think? These surprise eggs are testing my strength today. Wait, is that red I see? New! Not the sailor again! No score for you. Twit! I already had you. Still cute though, but nope. Sailor Kitty twins, reporting for duty. Double the cuteness, double the sea power. No Bibi score this time. The code says, just be. Does it stand for a big surprise? What if B means Bibi's favorite? Let's see what's hiding inside this one. Fingers crossed, it's a new surprise. The sailor crew is complete now. Which version is your fave? Gold rank. Unlocked. Looks like she's the new captain now. Let's do it, kitties. Bibi score, 9 out of 10. It says A, but maybe we'll get an S tier surprise this time. Squad of twins, incoming! Kitty army is growing. Should I be worried? Clone squad has arrived. Copy, paste, repeat. Forever. No Bibi score this time. Please, let it be a new one. Only 2 left. Fingers crossed for something new. I think it's going to be the sailor again. No way. Another gold sailor? One for the wheel, one for the map. Where are you going? No Bibi score this time. Last surprise. Let's make it count. Will it be a duplicate or a brand new Hello Kitty? Oh my God! Aye, Shiny Captain, on deck! Which version do you prefer? Classic, gold, or glow? No twins, this time, just shine. Bibi score, 10 out of 10. Squad complete. Which Hello Kitty is your favorite? Golden Girls unite. Too much shine in one frame. Glow Squad glowing strong. Oh, cuties never go out of style. Which team wins your heart? This one's my favorite. Look at that spooky cute outfit. Thanks for unboxing with me. Which Hello Kitty was your fave? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more surprises. See you next time. Bye!